Enjoy the ride without missing a beat. Listen to music with the BMW Motorrad ConnectedRide Com U1 in-helmet communication system and talk to other riders on your tour. Let's begin. Turn the device on by pressing the center button and the plus button for 1 second. The LED flashes in blue twice to confirm the startup. Right after, the LED flashes in red up to 4 times to show the battery status from low to max. When the LED pulsates in blue again, you're good to go. For a Bluetooth connection, press the center button for 10 seconds.
Configuration menu.
Then press plus to select phone pairing.
Phone pairing.
To connect the BMW Motorrad ConnectedRide Com U1 to your phone or the TFT display of your motorcycle. Now you can control your music playlists, for example. Watch our other how-to video for more about pairing your motorcycle. Let's chat. Pair 2 BMW Com U1 devices by pressing and holding the center button for 5 seconds on both headsets until you hear intercom pairing.
Intercom pairing.
They beep and flash their LED twice in blue when they've detected each other. Hang on, pairing can take up to 1 minute. By quickly pressing the center button on one of the headsets, you can switch modes between listening to music or talking to your passenger. You can now chat with your riding buddy via Bluetooth intercom. Press plus or minus to adjust the volume. Or, if paired to your bike, just use the multi-controller. Enough said? Press the center and the plus button for 1 second to shut down the BMW Com U1. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW motorcycle.